Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Anderson Lopez and today we're gonna be talking a little bit about Azure CLI. Actually, not Azure CLI, but Copilot CLI, okay? If you are using Copilot via copilot.microsoft.com in the browser or using via VS Code, today we're gonna quickly make an installation on your terminal. So either if you have your command line on Windows, Linux, or MacBook, as I do have, we're gonna together install it and use it. Okay, so that's the idea of this video, very quick. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to the channel because it helped me a lot. And we are almost reaching around 2K subscribers, and I will be very happy if I get there. So if you like my content, this kind of videos, feel free to have a look in all of them. No, at least most of them. One is gonna be useful for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is look for the repository, right? Actually, to the page for the installations. For the installation, okay? You can just Google or Bing it, like a Copilot CLI, GitHub. Probably the first link is gonna be the one, which is the one from GitHub. So just open it, and then you're gonna end up at this page, okay? The installation is super simple, okay? You just need to select which OS you have, well, like operational system you have. In my case, it's MacBook, right? But if you wanna just do via the script, which is gonna identify for you, if you have a Linux, Windows, whatever, it's gonna do for you automatically. But you can do Windows or MacBook, or also via package npm. Okay, feel free to choose the best option for you. In my case, is it's Brew, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this syntax, and then I basically just need to run the command, the Brew installation. Okay, I had problem when I was trying to install this for the first time. I got some timeout, and then I was trying to resolve, and I found out that was just my internet. So the timeout was because of my internet issue. So that's the first time I'm installing on Mac, actually, and the last time I did the installation, I did on Windows. So it was very quick, and I don't know how long it's gonna take here on my MacBook. I don't expect to take that long. So let's see how long it's gonna take. So if I see that takes long, I'm gonna speed up the video and come back when it's done. Oh, apparently it was faster than I thought. Actually, it was even faster than when I did the installation on Windows. So basically, following the instruction, you just need to call now the Copilot, right? So I believe you need to do Copilot login. So let's have a look here. Copilot, and here we go. That's nice. That's nice. So it's working. So let's make the login. Just use the files. Just trust the files in this folder. I don't know which folder I am. Let me check. I'm gonna cancel here. Okay, let's access my laboratory folder, labs, document, labs. I'm gonna create one called Copilot CLI, and put here Pilot CLI, okay? And I'm gonna open from here, like a Copilot, and that's it. So it's open, so I just need to follow the instructions here. So yeah, I'm gonna trust. Apparently, I can just start to use here. So like testing. Let's see. It's basically thinking. Oh yeah, well it's working. Let me check if I need to do any login here, like a /login. I can do the login via github.com. So let me do it. Okay, let me do it via my browser. So I just need to log in. I'm gonna use passkey. Okay, 1 second. Okay, yeah, just continue. I'm gonna use the code that was generated here. Okay, I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna authorize GitHub, and then everything seems to be fine. So let's double check. Yeah, it's working. So let's do something quickly here. Create, I don't know, small Python 3 application, web application. I'm gonna put hello world web application and start it here in this directory. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna build. And you can ask whatever you want. Like you can ask, like, create a PowerPoint document to me. So you want to, yeah, yes, and I don't ask again. Yes. And you can do whatever you want. So I remember I wanted to create actually a PowerPoint on my Windows machine when I was doing that, and yes, and I just asked it and it literally did what I needed. So you can just thinking about many options you have and you can do here. Okay, so this is just like a dummy example that I'm making together with you. Do you want allow this access? I'm gonna allow permanently. For me, it's not a problem. Yes, and yeah, let's have a look. Localhost 8000. Done. Your Python app is up and running. So let's check it out, and boom. This is super cool, right? It's okay. So that's how you use. So you can literally use the CLI the same way you use in your copilot.com.microsoft, like copilot.com.microsoft. So you can use the same way or the way you use on your VS Code. Okay, so easy access, simple installation. If you have any question, feel free to drop me a message. All the links that I have used, I'm gonna share here in the video description. And again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.